So if they have given any fraction, you can take the reciprocal of that fraction is the multiplicative inverse. Why? Because a is the given number, then 1 by a is the multiplicative inverse, then product of these two, a into 1 by a, you are getting the 1. So reciprocal of a is 1 by a. 1 by a reciprocal is a. Here sign is same as this. You can take the reciprocal means denominator becomes numerator, numerator becomes denominator. Okay. Third one, 1 by 5 multiplicative inverse. 1 by 5 multiplicative inverse is reciprocal of 1 by 5 is 5. So just you check out 1 by 5 into 5. How much you are getting? Simply you are getting 1. So this is correct. Fourth one, minus 5 by 8 into 3 by 7. Product of this is equal to minus 5 3s are 15, 8 7s are 56. Okay. Multiplicative inverse is 56 by 15, reciprocal of this, or minus 8 by 5 into 7 by 3. Okay. Just you can check out minus 5 by 8 into 3 by 7. It is the given fraction into minus 8 by 5 into 7 by 3. 3 ones are 3 ones are 7 ones are 7 ones are 5 ones are 5 ones are 8 ones are 8 ones are. Here minus 1, here minus 1. Remaining all are 1 only. So minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. So the reciprocal of the given fraction is minus 8 by 5 into 7 by 3 or 56 by 15. You can choose any one. Fifth one, minus 1 into minus 2 by 5. Just you should multiply. Minus 1 into minus 2 is 2 by 5. Now, minus 1 into minus 2 by 5 multiplicative inverse is multiplicative inverse. Minus 1 inverse is minus 1 only. Minus 2 by 5 inverse is 5 by minus 2. Or simply you are taking minus get cancelled, that is 5 by 2 is the multiplicative inverse. That is nothing but the given fraction multiplicative inverse is minus 1 into 5 by 2 or 5 by 2 only. Okay. Just you check out 2 by 5 into 5 by 2 is equal to getting the 1. Sixth one, minus 1 multiplicative inverse is minus 1 only. Why? Because reciprocal of minus 1 is 1 by minus 1 is minus 1 only. Okay. Again, you can check it. Minus 1 into minus 1, you are getting the 1. So minus 1 inverse is minus 1. So what is the thing here? We are finding the multiplicative inverse means what they have given the fraction, you are taking the reciprocal. Reciprocal means the given fraction numerator write as denominator, denominator write as numerator. That is the thing. Okay. Did you understand? Fifth problem. Name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. Just so you can observe. Minus 4 by 5 into 1 equal to 1 into minus 4 by 5 equal to minus 4 by 5. Which is in the form of A into 1 equal to 1 into A equal to A, which is suitable to the identity property, existence of identity. Existence of identity property under multiplication. The second one is, you observe
Okay.
it. It is in the form of A into B equal to B into A. Here A, here A. Here minus 2 by 7 is B, minus 2 by 7 is B. A into B equal to B into A. It is in the form of commutative property.
Um,
What is this? It is the
Commutative property.
commutative property. Under multiplication. Third one is, clearly we have done in the previous question, that is fourth question. Reciprocal minus 19 by 29, reciprocal is 29 by minus 19. So product of those two is equal to 1. So which is in the form of A into 1 by A is equal to 1. It is clearly,
Existence of inverse.
it is a existence of inverse.
Inverse.
Existence of inverse property
Inverse.
under multiplication. You have to remember what is closure property, associative, identity, commutative, inverse. Here A into 1 equal to 1 into A. If 1 is there, that is clearly identity, multiplicative identity element is 1. So whatever the element is multiplied with 1, we are getting the same element. So that is suitable to identity property. If the same numbers are there but order is different, that is clearly commutative property. If the product of the two numbers is equal to 1, it is the inverse property. First, again, the sixth question is, multiply 6 by 3 by the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. Seventh one, tell what property allows you to compute 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 as 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. Eighth one, is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8? Why or why not? Is 0.3 the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3, the mixed fraction 3 1 by 3? Why or why not? First, read question at least 2 to 3 times, then you get an idea. Okay, the sixth answer, sixth solution. First, we can take the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. The reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16 is equal to 1 by minus 7 upon 16. It is equal to minus 16 upon 7. Next word we can multiply. Multiply 6 upon 13 by reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. That is equal to 6 by 13 into minus 16 by 7. Minus 16 by 7. It is equal to product of these two numbers, 6 6 are 36, So minus 96. 6 into minus 16. Plus into minus minus. 16 6 are 96. Next 13 7s are 7 3s are 21. It's 91. So multiply is 6 upon 13 by reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16 means first we can take the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. That becomes minus 16 upon 7. Multiply after these two numbers, what you are getting the number, that is the number. Okay, this is the answer. Seventh one. Tell what property allows you to compute. Seventh solution. What property means 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 as 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 allows associative property. Associative property under multiplication. In the multiplication, the order is changed. That is the product of order. First A into B into C equal to A into B into C, which is suitable to associative property. Just we can simplify of this. 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 equal to 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Here 3 ones are 3 twos are. 1 by 3 into 4 twos are 8 equal to 2 ones are 2 into 4 by 3. Here 8 ones are 8. 8 is nothing but in the denominator 1 only. So product of this means numerator multiply, denominator multiply. 8 ones are 8 by 3 ones are 3 equal to 2 fours are 8 by 3. Why? Because 2 has denominator 1 only. So both are equal. So it satisfies the associative property. Just here the bracket is changed. The order of the multiplication is changed, but arrangement of the numbers are same. Here A into B into C, A into B into C. Okay. Next. Here 8th question. Is 8 by 9 multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 1 into 1 by 8? Eighth solution. Minus 1 into 1 by 8. The mixed fraction is converted into improper fraction. That is minus 8 into 1 plus 1 by 8. That is equal to minus 9 by 8. Minus 9 by 8 multiplicative inverse is reciprocal, that is 1 by minus 9 by 8 is equal to minus 8 by 9. So here, 8 by 9 is not a multiplicative inverse. Not a multiplicative inverse of 1 minute. 8 by 9 is not a multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8. Why? Because 8 by 9 has no negative sign. So it is not a multiplicative inverse. If 8 by 9 has the negative sign, then it is the multiplicative inverse of minus 9 by 8. What is the minus 9 by 8? minus 1 into 1 by 8. It is a mixed fraction. Okay, mixed to improper, then you are getting the clear idea of the improper of the multiplicative inverse. You are take the reciprocal. Okay, in the same case, ninth solution is also. Here what they are asking is 0.3 the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3. 3 1 by 3 is equal to 3 into 3 plus 1 by 3. That is equal to 9 plus 1, 10 by 3. 10 by 3 multiplicative inverse is 3 by 10. So it is clearly 3 by 10 means write in the decimal 0.3. Therefore, 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3. Tenth question, write a rational number that does not have a reciprocal. What is the answer? 0. 0 is belongs to rational number, but the reciprocal of 0 means 0 is nothing but 0 by 1, 0 by 100, something, whatever the thing. But something by 0, that is, suppose we are taking 1 by 0, it does not belongs to R. So the rational number that does not have a reciprocal means 0 has no reciprocal. The all other numbers having the reciprocals. Okay, next, the rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals. That are equal to their reciprocals. One reciprocal is 1 only. Minus 1 reciprocal is minus 1. Just so you check out. 1 reciprocal is 1 by 1 is equal to 1. And minus 1 reciprocal is 1 by minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So the rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals. 1 reciprocal is 1 only. Minus 1 reciprocal is minus 1 only. So what are the numbers? 1 and minus 1. The rational number that is equal to its negative. The rational number that is equal to its negative. If any rational number, suppose a by b is a rational number, suppose 2 by 3 is a rational number, that is equal to minus 2 by 3. The rational number that is equal to its negative. Its negative means that is the additive identity. Okay, negative of the rational number means it is the additive identity. Okay,
Okay.
that is the additive identity. If 2 by 3 having the negative means minus 2 by 3.
Understood.
Then adding of those two, you are getting the 0. Okay, fill in the blanks. Zero has no reciprocal. The numbers 1 and minus 1 are their own reciprocals. The reciprocal of minus 5 is minus 1 by 5 or 1 by minus 5. The reciprocal of 1 by x, where x is not equal to 0, is x only. Since 1 by x equal to x. The product of two rational numbers is always a rational number. For example, 1 by 2 is a rational number, 2 by 3 is a rational number. These two are belongs to Q. Okay, then 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 is also belongs to Q only. The reciprocal of a positive rational number is positive. Positive rational number. Suppose 2 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 2. It is
3 by
also
2.
2 by 3 is a positive. Then 3 by 2 is also a positive.
Positive.
So the reciprocal of positive rational number is positive.